Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, November 19th. Let's see what you have to do today. First, you'll watch this video. Then, you'll click Async. This is our last day of the week, so we have a few async activities. First one is a compare and contrast. You are going to fill in sentences using compare, contrast words that you learned from yesterday's Nearpod. For example, the weather is very nice today. However, it was terrible yesterday. My new job is very close to me, to my home, in the same way my old job was close to. Okay, so you can create your own or you can use these. All right, that's first activity. Second activity is page 58 in your textbook. So be sure to read all the directions. So this one, you have to read the examples, which one is clearer and why. So you can type your explanation in the comment section, or you can write it down and take a picture of it. Also here, which makes a clearer comparison, underline the information. Make sure you do that so I can see. So use a different color or use a pen when you take your picture. Here, underline any compare and contrast signal words. And here you're going to rewrite sentences. So you can type them in the comment section or write them on a piece of paper. When you take your picture, friends, make sure the picture is close so I can actually read what you wrote. Some of you take the picture far away. I can't really see if you did anything. So please make sure the picture is clear and close so I can see what you wrote. All right. The next activity is Spark. So in Achieve 3000, you will read the article covering the cost of college. We are almost at the end of the month. Next week is our last full week in November. So make sure you have your 8 articles in. Okay. Next activity is paraphrasing, and this is the most important activity of the day and of the week. So you will read this article about Kamala Harris and you will paraphrase. Okay, paraphrase. All right, and that's it for async. Let's go to sync. It is Thursday, so we have our large class together. Last week, we looked at our articles for our topics. So this week, we will look at the second one. Okay, if some of you might have extra articles, you are welcome to use it. So we will be adding that into it. This folder, I have made a special folder in the first page of the class called One World. Okay, so all the materials are there. And that's it. Good luck.